Hey there, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to Tech Kingo. In today's video, we're exploring the best double-din car stereo worth considering today. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Cutsy double-din car stereo. Let's get started. Product feature. The wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration is a dream come true. Your phone connects automatically as soon as you start the car, giving you instant, cable-free access to your maps, calls, and favorite music for a tidy dashboard. Experience stunning clarity on the 7-inch IPS HD touchscreen. With a sharp 1024 by 600 resolution, your navigation and media look vibrant and crisp, making it easy to read directions or choose your next song with just a quick, safe glance. The mirror link function is perfect for those moments you want to share more. It mirrors your smartphone's display right onto the stereo, letting you enjoy your favorite videos and apps on a much larger, high-quality screen while parked. Safety is a priority with built-in voice control. By using Siri or Google Assistant, you can keep your eyes on the road and hands on the wheel while making calls or sending messages, making your daily drive much safer and more convenient. Navigating tight spots is easier than ever with the included HD backup camera. Featuring 12 LEDs and a waterproof wide-angle lens, it provides exceptional night vision and a clear view of your surroundings for stress-free parking every time. Stay on the right path with real-time GPS navigation that provides up-to-date lane guidance. Combined with Bluetooth for wireless music streaming and hands-free calling, you'll enjoy a perfectly connected and entertaining journey. For total control, this unit is compatible with your steering wheel buttons, letting you adjust volume or tracks without distraction. It's designed for standard 12-volt systems, offering a reliable way to modernize your vehicle's audio system. Pros: you'll love how this stereo transforms your driving experience into something truly modern and stress-free. The wireless phone integration is a total game changer for daily commutes, while the HD backup camera gives you that extra boost of confidence when maneuvering in tight spots. Plus, the responsive touchscreen feels premium and makes every interaction feel incredibly smooth. Cons: it's important to note that this unit isn't designed for 24V trucks, so double-check your vehicle's voltage before buying. Also, while it handles connectivity beautifully through your phone, it doesn't offer a standalone Wi-Fi hotspot, which is something to keep in mind for your setup. Final thoughts. Upgrading your car's tech is about more than just a new screen. It's about making every mile more enjoyable and keeping your loved ones safe. This stereo brings a sense of ease and joy to your travels, blending smart features with a design that cares about your comfort. It's a wonderful way to breathe new life into your vehicle and truly enjoy every moment you spend behind the wheel. Your car deserves this amazing upgrade. Check the price link in the description to see how it fits your budget. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to Tech Kingo and like this video for more tech tips. See you in the next one.